Have you ever watched a woman's behavior completely flip when a man stops caring? A man walking away without a word is a woman's deepest nightmare. Because no apology, no closure, no revenge. Nothing hurts more than the cold, hard realization that he never needed her to begin with. It's the moment you stop chasing her. It's the second you choose your own self-respect over the constant need for her validation. It's the shift that she never saw coming. We're about to walk through what she really feels when you finally stop playing her game. The silent game of cat and mouse where you're always the one giving and she's always the one taking. This is the script. This is the truth. If you're ready to hear it, comment "I am the prize" and let's get into it. Don't forget to subscribe to wake up more men trapped in the cycle. Let's break down what happens when you walk away. Part 1. The fuel you gave her. She wasn't addicted to you. Let's get that straight right now. She was addicted to your attention. Think about it. She didn't have to love you to keep you on the hook. Your attention, your energy, your validation, that became her power source. She was a plant and you were the sun. She needed you to survive, but she didn't need to love you to keep you coming back. The manipulation wasn't always malicious, guys. It was often unconscious. It was just a pattern she'd learned. She gave you just enough affection to keep you hooked, to keep you chasing. A sweet text here, a flirty smile there. You thought you were getting closer. You thought you were winning her over. But the moment you tried to claim her, the moment you asked for commitment, she pulled away. She created distance. Why? Because her power came from being chased, not caught. She didn't want to be the prize. She wanted to be the game. And as long as you were playing, she was winning. Part 2. What happens when you walk away, and then you stop? You go silent. Silence is power, and power terrifies her. You stop texting. You stop liking her posts. You stop proving yourself. At first, she pretends she doesn't care. She tells her friends, "He's so dramatic, I don't even care." But it's just ego protection. She's trying to convince herself more than anyone else. Internally, her narrative starts to crack. The comfortable lie she's been living begins to shatter. Wait, is he really gone? She starts to test you. A breadcrumb text. Hey. A like on an old photo. An Instagram story designed to get your attention. She's throwing rocks into the silent well, waiting for a ripple. But you stay silent. And in that silence, you shatter her illusion of control. The game is over, and she didn't get to say when. Part 3. Women aren't used to rejection, especially not from a man they thought they owned. So what happens? She enters a state of denial. He's just playing games. He'll be back. He always comes back. But time passes, no call, no message. Just silence, just peace. That peace isn't peace to her. It's panic. It's an empty room where her own thoughts begin to echo. Self-doubt creeps in. Was I not enough? Did I push him too far? Her old tricks don't work anymore. The mirror time increases. She posts more thirst traps. Social media stalking becomes a full-time job. She's looking for evidence of your happiness, evidence of your pain. And then jealousy ignites. Because now she's the one chasing a ghost. She's haunted by your absence. Part 4. The rebound trap. She can't face the silence. It's too loud. So what does she do? She replaces you. Not because she's moved on, but because she needs a distraction. She finds a safe man. Someone who worships her immediately. Someone who makes her feel like the prize again. She flaunt him online, posting pictures, but it's a show. It's a performance for an audience of one. You. Why do these rebounds fail? Because the new guy didn't challenge her. He didn't make her earn him. He didn't force her to level up. He just gave her the attention she was so desperate for. And without a challenge, without a mirror forcing her to grow, she loses respect for him. She loses attraction. Boredom sets in. Her eyes wander again. She cheat, she leave, or she ghost him just like she did to you. The cycle continues, and she doesn't even realize she's the one trapped in it. Part 5. the regret she can't escape, and now she compares every guy to you. Not to the guy who chased her, but to the man who walked away. The man who refused to play her game. The one who didn't beg. The one who disappeared without drama. You weren't just different. You were the one who finally chose self-respect over obsession. The one who decided his own value was non-negotiable. And that's when she feels the pain she never expected. The one that no amount of attention can soothe. I lost a man who valued himself more than he needed me. She didn't lose a man. She lost a mirror that forced her to level up. And she'll spend the rest of her life trying to find that reflection again. Part 6. The power of becoming unreachable. You didn't chase her. You didn't prove your worth. You chased your growth. You proved to yourself that you were the prize. The real power isn't in how loud you leave. It's in how quietly you never return. You outgrew the version of yourself who needed her, and now? She can't reach you. Not because you've blocked her, not because she doesn't want to, but because you're no longer on her frequency. You're on a completely different plane of existence. It is as the old saying goes, sometimes the best revenge is not reacting at all. When she finally reaches out, you don't even feel the urge to reply. You're too busy building your own empire. You weren't hard to love. You were just done being manipulated. This isn't about punishing her. This is about protecting your energy. She'll come back, she always does. But by then, you won't want her anymore. You'll be too busy being the man who built himself up from the ashes of a relationship that never served him. Comment, I am unstoppable if you felt this power shift. And subscribe if you're ready to become the man no one can break.